Toast point of sale is the #1 point of sale system being used by bars and restaurants in the US. While the Toast system has an exact record of how many times each button was pressed, converting that information to a precise quantity sold so you can compare what's being sold versus poured at your restaurant requires some additional calculations. Basic systems like Extra Chef and in-house systems tend to break down when it comes to accuracy and verification. Let's take a look. This particular bar uses New Amsterdam Vodka as their well. During the period in question, they sold 252 shots. On the modifiers report, we also see they modified 93 drinks to be New Amsterdam. During the setup process, we discovered that we actually had 14 different point of sale buttons which called for New Amsterdam Vodka, and so wrote precise recipes for every button in the system. The end result is that for every button, we assign a precise recipe amount, and we can calculate the amount sold in every case by simply multiplying the number of times the button was pressed by the recipe size. The end result is precise calculations that compare how many shots were sold versus what was poured in real life. This bar is missing about 13% of the New Amsterdam they poured during the period, resulting in a loss of 73 shots or 3.2 bottles. This is actually a trend because previously they were missing 63 shots. If you're interested to integrate your point of sale sales data with a beverage inventory system that helps you count fast but matches up sales against usage, please book a demo on bari.com and we'll be happy to show you how the system works in detail. Thanks for watching.